Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you know, this is Leah Rose, and today we have another unboxing, and I'm super excited about this because this is my content planner. So if you guys don't know, I am a new YouTuber, as you can see probably with my subscribers, and I saw a plethora of videos about this content planner. And I was just trying to figure out, should I get it, should I not get it? But I was like, I want the best success for myself as well as my YouTube channel. So I was like, I'm gonna do it. So this is not sponsored at all by Content Planner. I was just really in awe of what they had and by what everyone else was talking about. So let's get right into it. So I got some scissors. I love it already. Look at this purple. Alright, so it comes in a... Wow. This is beautiful. I don't even want to take out the box. Like, I could just leave it just like that, but we gotta look into the planner. So, oh wow, it's packaged really well. So we have a box. Your organization awaits. I like that sticker. So you get a thank you card. I admire that you've invested in yourself and your business. Your support means everything, and I am forever grateful. Wishing you all the love and success in the world, Kat. That's really nice. And they have their social media link. So this, I'm not really a pink person. You know, I'm not really a person who likes pink, but I really like this color. And I love the gold. And it's very light and slim. And sleek, and I like the gold edges. Okay. Let's move the box on. Wow. So this is hardstock. And you have the ring binder. So you get some clips. And you get stickers. We get how many? Okay, so we get stick to your plan. Oh. Alright, so these are Instagram, Live, Facebooks, all the social media pieces. Me, coffee, camera, record, I'm assuming. And you get 2 of these. So that's pretty awesome. Oh, and then match your months. Okay. Right, because this is undated. So let's get into that. So you get 3 sticker sheets, right? 2 of them are for your social media that you could probably put on the days, and then this one is all about the months, and it doesn't have the years on the month, like, so you could just use it whenever you start, which is pretty awesome to me. And then these look like tabbies that you could put on the side, and then you have important to-do lists, a launch, and the day off. So that's really cool. And then you have a folder on the side that you can put it in. So I think that's really awesome. So you have your name, email, phone number, all that good stuff. How to use this content planner. What I like is that you can flip it. So boom. It went from being super long and big to short and sweet. So how to use the content planner. You have the monthly spread. So you can schedule content months. You have stickers. You have dream space. Draw, mind map, write notes, journal, make lists, doodle, or plan your next big idea. Tasks and tips. Need help assigning yourself daily tasks and strategies to grow your social presence. And the story. So Miss Kat Gaskin is pretty awesome for making this this planner, and I'm super appreciative of it. All right, so next we're gonna go into, I'm gonna open it back up. Plans are of little importance, but planning is essential. I like that. So let's open it to the first page. So here we go, filling out your content planner. So planning is about staying ahead of the game. So you have monthly themes, holiday markings. So that's pretty awesome. So things that should be on your radar for each month. Wow. So they have like pretty much every holiday, everything that's probably going on like on social media or that's super important in each month, and that's pretty awesome. So that can help with your content planning. Like, okay, so in January it's New Year's, so of course I need to be planning New Year content. And you know, in May it's summer, everyone's getting ready, you know, whatever the case is, you can build your content for that. And I think that's awesome. So especially for the new content creators who might not know what kind of content they should put out there based off the month, I think that's pretty helpful. Ooh, this is a lot. Oh, so these are holidays and marketing dates. And I like how she has like little like statements to kind of help like ease your pain, because a lot, like just looking at this is a lot already. But you know, she has, please don't feel pressured to share content for all of these holidays. They are here as a reference for you to write down in your planner. So that's cool. So it's a breakdown of all of this. Oh, and they have holidays abroad too. They got Canada, UK, Australia, and New Zealand. Yep. Wow. So this is also helpful for your international followers as well. That's pretty awesome. All right, so this is at a glance. So maybe you want to set like your goals like in bullet points right up front, so that when you open it, it's like, boom, what were my goals for this month? My goal was to get 300 subscribers or 1,000 subscribers or whatever the case is. And so you can flip back and see if that was actually achieved. A place for my dreams. So this is the beginner. I guess you could write over here. It's just blank space. So I think that's awesome. And she has a quote. This one's by Serena Williams. You have to believe in yourself when no one else does. Ain't that the truth, Serena? Ain't that the truth? So this is the monthly spread before you get into it. And you have your notes. You have your monthly goals. So you could either you could put them here as well as putting them 2019 at a glance. The hashtags you want to use for the month, hit list, collab. So who do you want to collab with? What are the playlist or the list that you want to be on, depending on if you're just doing YouTube or whatever the case is. Things that should be on your radar, and tasks and tips. So I like this. So it says, this month, freshen up your Instagram bio, update your profile picture, and reevaluate your description. Include keywords and emojis related to your brand to attract your ideal followers, and so on and so forth. Never turn those dreams into gold. Now turn those dreams into gold. So like I said, this is pretty awesome. This is really a good space for, you know, monthly planning and content dump. Like, just what am I thinking about? What do I want to go for? What are the things that I want to achieve this month? And so now, this is the month. This is the entire month, whatever month you want to be in, because remember, it's undated. So you can just put whatever you want. So I'm going to flip it in half so we can see. So you put your month and then your weekly goals. So each week you have your goals. What I really like is that your business growth. So you can see what you started with on Instagram that month and what you ended with, and whatever the difference was, and the same for all the Pinterest, YouTube, Facebook, how much money you started with, you know, in your business account, and how much do you have now, and then your emails. How many emails did you have? How many emails do you have now? And the theme for the month, your I wills and your I won'ts. And then what I do like is that it's like it's white and gray, so like you could put something on each line that's, you know, different. And there's also a lot of space in each box. So, and then at the end of each week, which is super awesome, you could put your wins. Like, what did you achieve? What are you, you know, proud of for that week? Like, did I post all my videos on time? Did I, you know, edit them on time? You know, Did I achieve my weekly subscriber increase? Whatever the case is. But I think that's awesome. And now you have another brain dump page, so, or the beginning of the month page. So I think that's awesome. And you get another quote and you get more tips. So how many? It's 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you get 12 of these, of course, one for each month. No, is it 12? Anyway, you get a good amount. So let's see what's in the back. So that's the last one. And then you just get a whole bunch of graphing paper. My plan to take over the world. So you can literally draw out, write out everything that you want to happen for you. And I think that's super cool. As well as you could put pictures, you know, you can put snapshots of, you know, what were your best posts or things like that. And you have 1, 2, 3, 4 whole pages of it. And then finally it says, let my imagination run wild. So this is an amazing planner that I think could be super useful, not just for like YouTubers, but for also just content creators in general. Like if you're a blogger, if you're a writer, if you're you know, anything that requires you to build content. And honestly, you could use this as a regular planner too, depending on, you know, what your need is. So I think that's awesome that they give you these pins and these stickers, and it comes with this box. Like, I'm really in love with this box. Like, it's gonna stay in this box because this box is super awesome, and I love just the packaging overall, which is super nice. So yeah, like I said, this video is not sponsored. I truly was just super interested in this content planner. Like I said, as a new YouTuber starting out, I really wanted to give myself the best chance in starting out and doing what I need to do and getting to where I want to be. So if you have any questions, ask them down below in the comment section. As always, please subscribe and hit that bell button so you can get notified whenever I make a post. And if you have any ideas or any planners that you would like me to review, just let me know in the comment section, like I said before. And yeah, thank you guys for stopping by, and we'll check in soon with this new content planner. Bye guys.